In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to correct spelling and punctuation errors efficiently. If you've ever been uncertain about your writing or just want to polish your work to perfection, Grammarly is a great tool to help elevate your writing skills. So let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of it. First, head over to the Grammarly website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Grammarly or directly inputting the URL, which will take you to their main page. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their homepage, which is sleek and user-friendly. Now, if you already have a Grammarly account, you're just a few clicks away from diving into its features. Simply click on the option that says I have an account. Alternatively, if you're already a registered user, you can select Log In. Both options will direct you to a page where you can proceed with inputting your credentials. Next, type in your email address associated with your Grammarly account. Ensure you enter the correct email to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. This leads you to the password entry section where you can securely log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Document section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on New Document to create a space for all your writing. Here you have the flexibility to either start typing directly or copy and paste an existing document that you want Grammarly to analyze. Now, before Grammarly begins its analysis, it's essential to set up your goals. This can be quite insightful as you align the software to understand what specific writing aspect you're keen on improving, be it formality levels, tone, or intent. Once you've set your goals, click Done. The next step is where Grammarly's robust suite of tools come into play. Review the suggestions presented to you, each crafted to help refine your document's clarity and correctness. As you go through each suggestion, consider whether it aligns with your writing style and context. When satisfied with a correction, simply click Accept to implement the change. Remember, Grammarly is very interactive, and if any correction doesn't seem right, you can adjust settings for tailored suggestions. Lastly, take an extra minute to click on Corrections and Suggestions. This feature allows you to go through a summary of modifications, ensuring nothing vital slipped through the cracks. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can effectively use Grammarly to enhance your writing accuracy and refine those pesky spelling and punctuation errors. With consistent use, you'll likely notice a substantial improvement in your writing prowess. Until next time, happy writing.